Hey, Steven. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, right? We're going to learn today how to set a fabulous holiday festive table.
I'm so glad you're here. You know, we're at my favorite store, Revivals. And what I wanted to do, Sandie, is show you how we can go to a thrift store,
Right.
and create a really cohesive table that's reflective of your personality. In this case, my personality, right? Because I did it. You know, I took these lemons off my tree
Oh, perfect.
and got really inspired to create a fresh tablescape based on the citrus found in the desert.
Love that, love that.
You know, and so it was really fun because I went to a bunch of different Revival stores. I found this wonderful porcelain collection with oranges on it at the Palm Desert Revival stores.
Beautiful.
And it came with these great cups. And I thought, put a lemon in them,
Love
and
it.
we can start stacking our tablescape. You know, I took some of the broken brooches that I owned, and I just went out and bought plain metal napkin rings and some epoxy from your favorite hardware store. I was walking through Revivals, and I couldn't find the centerpiece that I loved, but I found the round silver plate. And I thought,
Okay.
how can I use that on the table? And then I found this crackle glass candle holder that fit perfectly on the plate. And I turned the corner and I saw this crackle glass tree. And I was like, this fits like perfectly on top. It's the perfect height, everyone can see
Perfect.
around it. Playing in Indio, in Cathedral City, Palm Desert, and Palm Springs, we were able to find everything we need to create this tablescape for the holiday season.
Okay, one question I have for you, Steven, is that, you know, if I go to a holiday party and
Sure.
I'm asked to bring something, do I really show up with this from Ralph's? I mean, it's not very pretty, it's not very festive.
I'm gonna show you a really easy trick.
Okay.
Because this is what I do. So
Absolutely.
all you need to do, go ahead and go to Ralph's, right? You
Right.
don't have to spend a lot of money. They make great side salads. We're all busy. And then stop at Revivals and pick up a crystal bowl. You know, there's sometimes like $15, $10, $20. They look terrific,
Right.
right? The next step is really easy. Scoop and serve, right? So nobody needs to know that you didn't cook. You just got your crystal bowl. You've got your beautiful side salad from your
Love
local
that.
grocery store. Hand it to your host or hostess. Give them a wink and say, here, keep the bowl.
And now for the big question, Steven, really, how much would all of this cost?
I was kind of keeping track as I was pulling pieces from the different stores, and my estimate is that you can get the whole look that you see at this table for under $100.
No, are you serious?
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
Absolutely. And the reason
Fabulous.
is you can set your own budget, really. It's up to you. You can have as much fun as you want, as much time as you have shopping the 4 Revival stores to get the look.
So festive, so beautiful.
Here's to a healthy new year, Sandie.
Absolutely.